Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. For today's video I'll be filming a spring makeup tutorial. Woohoo! So happy spring is finally here, and I'll be using all drugstore products, so let's get started. As always, I'm starting by priming my eyes. This time I'm using the HD NYX concealer, and at the same time that I'm priming it for the eyeshadow, I'm also defining my brows. And I'm going to just set that concealer with the HD NYX translucent powder. For eyes, I'm going to be using two palettes. The first one is the Maybelline Total Temptation, and I'm going to be using this brown right here as a transition color. I really like this palette, especially the brown eyeshadows that it has. I think they are perfect. They will come in handy for many looks. For my next palette, and I'm super excited about this one. This is the I Love You So Muchy palette by NYX, and I'm going to use the coppery color eyeshadow, and these eyeshadows are so soft, they feel squishy, so they're super easy to apply. I would definitely recommend to apply with a flat brush or even your finger. They are beautiful and super pigmented. Here I just went back to that brown eyeshadow and a fluffy brush and kind of just diffused and blended everything together. For foundation, I'm going to be mixing these two right here. This is the Maybelline 24-hour foundation and the Master Strobing liquid, and it's just going to give me this glowy, beautiful, radiant look that I was hoping for, because this is a spring makeup. I absolutely love combining these two together, and yep, I dropped my brush. And I'm gonna go back to the NYX HD concealer and of course apply it under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, my forehead and my chin, and just blend it in. For contour, I'm going to be using the NYX Wonder Stick. You guys have seen me use this a lot, and that's because I really like it. I think it's very similar to other high-end brands' contours. Basically contour sticks, because I've seen other brands have contour sticks as well, and I keep saying sticks, but that's what it is. I really like it, and I will definitely recommend it, guys. It looks very natural. And of course, I'm going to set everything with the NYX HD powder. Going back to the Total Temptation palette, I'm going to grab that brown color again and just smoke and define my lower lash line. And this is unusual for me, but I'm doing a wing liner. I just thought it would be nice to add a little kitty cat liner, and I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Liner. This Wet n Wild eyeliner is very nice. I love that it dries to a very matte black. So yes, this is my favorite one. It's only $2, guys. So if you need a liner, definitely check this one out. For highlighter, I'm going back to the Total Temptation palette, and it does come with a highlight. One is gold and the other one is pink. I'm using the gold one. It's really pretty, and actually the color payoff is very nice to be a drugstore product. I'm gonna be using the NYX Angel blush for my cheeks. I just wanted to add a rosy tone to them so it looks like a spring flirty look. And for mascara, no, I did not get a new one, but I am using a different one than my Total Temptation one. This is the Colosal Big Plump Mascara, something like that. But yeah, it's a good one. I still love the other one more. Of course, I'm doing some falsies, my butterflies. That's what my husband said they look like. For my lips, I'll be using the Taura and sorry, I started with the name. The Maybelline lipstick and Gigi Hadid Taura. And I'm gonna be topping this off with the NYX Butter Gloss in Creme Brulee. This is one of my favorite nude combos ever. And of course, I'm gonna be spraying some dewy finishing spray. And yes, this is the final look. It's a very spring forward brunch, going out to the park. I'm kidding. But this is my spring look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys until the next time. Bye.